Let us talk about electrostatics a little bit as far as this question is under the electrostatic section on physics syllabus. In this scenario, two charges are placed 0.75 meters apart. The positive terminal is often on the left and negative terminal on the right. So, let us assume the charge A is positive, and obviously the charge B is negative. Note that electrons are negative charges and on the other hand the protons are positive charges. So, if it is said to be positively charged, that doesn't mean that it has no electrons. The fact is that if it is positively charged, it means the number of protons is more than of electrons in that charge or object. And the negative charge, it has more electrons than the protons in it. That was a quick reminder. We are instructed to draw the electric field pattern between these charges. Note that when we draw the pattern, the lines must always be from positive terminal to negative, and show by arrows that the electric field is towards which side. In this scenario, the arrows will point on the right, which is the negative charged point. And remember, the shape also often counts on markings. Make sure that the lines are touching charges, and are not crossing each other. Now we have to calculate the force on charge A, due to charge B, that is called electrostatic force, which can either be an attraction or repulsive force between the particles caused due to their electric charges. We use this electrostatic force formula to calculate the force in between the charges. This K is the constant, which is 9 times 10 to power 9. These are charges A and B, which are identical 4 times 10 to power -6. This R is the distance between the charges. Calculating this, we get 0.256, the unit is newtons. The direction is to the right. To calculate the excess electrons on charge B, we are using this formula. This N represents the number of electrons, this capital letter Q represents the value of charges transferred, and this small q represents the electron constant number. Then substitute and calculate.